Did you have any questions, or are you finished with the paperwork? Okay, well, let me get you another appointment card. You said that you're coming in next Friday? Okay, well, let me get that for you. We just got a new batch in. Let me open them up. Okay, now let me fill this out. Now, what was the time again? 10 o'clock? Okay, great. Hold on. There you go. Yes, you as well. Have a great day. Be careful of the snow. Yes, okay. Thank you. Linda, do you mind if I burn this candle? Oh, I don't know. I have this awful smell. I think it was the last woman that was here. Oh, bathe much, right? Here we go. Not the one I thought it was going to be. This is the spice. Oh, yuck. I do not care for spice. Here, let me try. This is pineapple or freesia or something. Hold on, let me try this one. This might be good. Cinnamon, even worse. To the county's board of directors, the 1st of September, 1370, when we had the fish mix. That was Thursday, July 15th, 19. Sharon, I'm gonna use this computer, okay? My computer keeps freezing. And to write the topic would be an understatement of values and mores to the one that doesn't have much. Oh yeah, yours is much better. Well, mine has that virus warning every 3 seconds and it logs me out. Well, it would be nice to have some new computers. But we've got to get those new intercom systems first. I do agree. Oh, let's see. Thursday, September 17th. Was the day of... You know what? I really can't do this. I think I'm gonna have to go take a lunch break. Maybe I'll go run to the deli across the street or something. You guys hungry? Well, first I should take my pills. I'm supposed to take them a half an hour before I eat, so let me do that quick. Well, I'm always trying a different diet supplement, it seems, but Do any of them work? That's the question, right? I'm just gonna borrow a sip of your soda here. Oh, I see. Thanks. I promise I don't have goodies. Well, no, I can't promise that. I'll get that, Sharon. Hold on. West Cedar Dental, this is Lucy. Yes. Can I have your first name? D-E-A-N-N or any? Okay. Last name. Scheduled for which time? Okay. Well, Dan, we actually require a 24-hour pending notice before we can do any cancellations and give you your rebate. Well, we really can't offer that until you have given us 24 hours of notice. So next time, please make that possible, okay? That is just our office policy. I'm sure you understand. Yes, I have had sick children as well. I do sympathize. But can you hold on for one moment, and I will actually get a pen and write this all down for you, okay? Okay, hold on one second.
Good morning, ladies.
Hello, Dr. Watkins.
Lucy, could you come in the back if you want that cavity filled?
Doctor, you are so inappropriate. But yes, I do have a cavity that needs to be drilled very, very badly. West Cedar Dental, this is Lucy. Yes, please, just let me put you on hold for 1 second. What a dreamboat. Sorry about that. Can I help you? Let me double check our schedule. Hold on for 1 second. Let's see. We actually do have an opening that day. Would you like to schedule that right now? Great. What's your name? Yes. First? Andrew? Last name? Okay. Yep, we have you on file, actually. Everything is correct still? Okay. Well, let me go ahead and schedule that for you, and we will see you then. Sounds great. Thanks very much, Andrea. Have a great day. Let's see. Number 9th, Andrea Binsky, Dr. Slasher, 50. Poker face, mama poker face. Da 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 poker face, poker face. Baby, if it's love, it isn't love, it till it's well. Da 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 da. No, you can read poker face, but the poker face. Sharon, if it's cool, I'm just gonna turn the radio on for a little bit, okay? Oh, great, thanks. Let's see. Silly computer. Your buttons. Let's see. I can see. Watkins, you are so fine. Ooh, Dr. Watkins, take more diet pills for you. Just a couple more diet pills for you. I'm gonna steal your soda again. Really, I should buy my own. It's delicious. Dr. Watkins. 15th December. Dr. Watkins, I like you. Oh, jeez. West Cedar Dental, this is Lucy. Yes. We are actually located between Crossroads and Division. If you go off Highway 15 and take a left. We are actually a brick building, little pink door on the right, and it'll say the dentist office right there. Yep, West Cedar. Yes. Well, we are open tonight, but we do not have any openings. You might want to try Happy Teeth. Yeah, they always have openings, some kind of legal investigation. You might want to try there, or you can call us maybe next week, and we'll try and pencil you in, okay? Great, thanks. West Cedar Dental office in 1735 and Crest eat review grandfather clock packing boxes radio tuning door metal squeak cloud closing clock winding fist. What else? Oh, that's not the piece of paper I wanted. Let's see. Super Sunday. When Walter caught up with us, Jen made a pleasant conversation. How lives here is a question around the house. Sharon. Sharon. Sorry. I'm actually gonna sneak out and take my lunch break early. I think I might go sit at the park after. Is there anything that you want me to get for you? Are you gonna take a lunch break soon? I absolutely don't mind. I just don't want the doctor to hear us. He's been following me everywhere. He's really obsessed, but ungodly cute. But anyway, is there anything I can get you? Coffee? Mocha? I know you like those caramel rolls they got there. Are you sure? You just take a couple of my pills and I can get you the biggest cinnamon bun on the planet, and you will not even gain weight. How about that? Alright, if you insist. Well, I'm gonna leave my purse here, but I'm gonna take my cash. I'm just gonna hide that under the desk here. I'll see it. Here I go. I'm just gonna scoot that under there. And I'll be back in about 30 minutes. If you need anything, you have my cell, right? It's yep, it's under the contact sheet right here. No, under this. Right here. See if you look that up. We've got all our contacts. Okay, well, I'm gonna head out. Alright, and please do not tell the doctor I've left. Alright, thank you so much.